Hi everyone, this is Monica here. Today I'm going to show you one of our pop table set. Look at it here. The tabletop is made of thick natural wood with a handmade antique brown color finish and delicate cotton sketches. The square metal tube table leg is very thick and durable, and it's black powder coated. The ergonomic saddle-shaped bar stool seat is upholstered with fabric over a thick foam cushion. It can be decorated with nailhead trim. We can also make it with PU leather as you want. Of course, the leather stools can be made with snail head trim too. Hope you like it. Bye bye.